afternoon, everybody from all over the world. Here is Joey from SaneagleE-bike. Yeah, very thanks for all of you those days see our online show. I think my colleagues have been introduced many models of bikes for your guys. And then this is our Saneagle catalog. You can see we are a factory. For sure, we are a factory. We are not a trading company. Yes. And then you can see we have many models for these years. And these models is this day my colleague will introduce you one by one. So this is only the few parts of our products because our factory is built up from 2000. We build up many kinds of models. So if you're interested in our product, how to process the orders, I hope and I'm very grateful for you can communicate and cooperation with us and start our trip of business, bicycle of business. So if you, for example, you're interested in one of them, let me show you the flow. I do a easy process. Firstly, my colleague will send you the catalog as I showed you before. And then you can choose the model with the existing bike. It means that you maybe only a green hand for this business. And you can choose the models which you think is fit for your market. Also, my colleagues will introduce you which model will fit for your market. And then, for example, you choose these models, and these models, they also have many similar models. This is the real motor, center motor, and this is also real motor. So what difference between them? Why they have such a big price difference? Let me tell you, for the real motor is most popular. So the price is it will be economy. For the center motor, they have more powerful and more smooth power output. So we will make you feel more sporty and more professional choice. For center motors, they always little high price compared the real motor. And so it's many parts you can choose. So the second, choose the model with the existing bikes. Firstly, you choose the model you want, and then we will send you the specification and price, and then you can compare which one you want. And then if you want to change another parts, for example, you think you like the fully suspension, but you want the smaller tire or bigger tire or many other part components or other gears, we also will assist you. Because we always use Shimano parts. They have many series. And you can browse this in the Shimano website and then tell us which part and which speed you want, and my colleague will assist you to choose the parts fit for you. And also, and then because you know the bicycle has many parts, a bicycle like this, normally it have 30 different parts. So you can choose the parts you like. But in fact, our bicycle now, they can make the complete model. We have been make it a suitable, suitable group. It have been by text. So if we want to choose another parts, and then we can confirm the specification, and then we will check the price difference, and then you can compare. And compare the advantage and disadvantage. For example, you already accept the price difference and chose the product you want. We can say we can go to confirm the specification and price. And then our Saneagle will provide you a sample to confirm. And then you will get a sample. For example, it takes 1 or 2 months. And if lucky that the sample is happy with you and you like it, and then we can go to the order and mass production. Some people will ask, did the sample need to pay? Yes, this sample is need to pay, because if you did not change another, if you did not change any parts, maybe we can give you the same price as our quotation. If you need to change the parts, you need to pay a little extra price for the extra purchasing for our team. And this extra part we will pay back in the mass orders. So our company is a OEM and ODM company. It means that if your order quantity pass our MOQ, and then we will provide our painting service, because we have our own painting line. So you can choose the color you want and put your logo. And then we have many kinds of color code, and you can choose many color code. You like the color words and make you like go into a puzzle. Yeah, just choose the color you like and build up the look experience, the appearance you like, and then painting, and then stickers, the decal, and then you can make the bicycle with your logo and color. This is our OEM service. So let me introduce you another service. It's ODM. Because we have 10 workers, 10 engineers, we have our own power to help you to build up the bicycle. Just belong to your company. If you are all hand in this product, the people always like to build up their own product. So it can start with this: build up their own model. It means that the frame and all parts, we can help you to build up it with our tooling frame factory, because we also have this is our frame factory. We also have the oil pressure shaping frame machine. It means that you can produce or make the tooling, the tube you like. about it. Sorry, please. And then, when we confirm the drawing, we can provide you 2D and 3D drawing. And then we can build up the new frame or structure. Then we choose the spec. It means that my team and myself can help you to communicate with our engineer between this process. And we also very welcome all of you communicate with us with the video meeting or anything. We can assist you to build up the frame you want. And during these 10 years, more than 20 years, we have many patents for our frame. So you can see frame of bike decasting manufacture patent. And then, if everything goes smoothly, we can If everything goes smoothly, we can produce the own tooling. It means that you already confirmed the 3D, and then we can go to produce the own tooling. After the own tooling company, we can build up a new frame and new parts to make them tags. Because we are an OEM and ODM factory, we have our own test lab for the frame. This is the horizon force, horizon impact tags for the pedal force, and this is for the also for the pedaling, and this is for the fork. Some very heavy things to go down and test it destroy or not. And also this is front fork, because safety is most important for a new bike to become a new frame to become a bicycle. So we must have our own test machine to test, to check this frame and this new structure is safe or not to people to ride on the road. So this is very important. So also very welcome all of you to come to our factory to see our process of testing. So if everything goes smoothly, the test is passed. It means that we can go to the next step, checking the spec and price. The same process for another choice. If the test is flawed, it means that we have to modify the structure and build up the sample again to test. So our factory, they have enough power and good engineers to help you to build up your own bicycle. During these past 20 years, we have been helped many famous brands to build up their own models, but we cannot say their name because this is must keep silent. So sorry for that, I cannot tell you here. This is my shop wheels for our OEM process. If you have more questions and I can help you, and my colleague can help you, please contact us for more communication to the next step. Hope we can have chance to cooperate all of you. Thank you to them for your time, and thank you for all of you can come to us and visit us and contact with our colleagues to more information. And this, if you want, we also can send to you for checking. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.